Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how you can install Python in your system. So first of all, you want to open your favorite web browser, and in search bar we are going to write Python. And you can see in the very first here's the result from www.python.org, and you can see here is a download section. We are gonna click this button here, downloads. After clicking, you see this button, download Python, and the version of Python is 3.11.5. we're gonna click on this. You can see download has started and it's finished. We're gonna double click on the file we have downloaded. After opening it, we will see this a pop-up like this. So you want to make sure that you tick this add python.exe to path. This is very important. And after ticking this add python.exe to the path, we are going to click on install now button. You want to click yes, and we will wait for the setup to complete the progress. As you can see, it says setup was successful. It means Python is successfully installed on the system. Now to check whether the Python is installed on our system or not, we are gonna click on the blank space in the desktop, and then we will hold shift and right click on the mouse. After doing that, you see this open PowerShell windows here. We want to click this. Now to check whether Python is installed or not, we are going to type Python. As you can see, this says Python and the version of Python is 3.11.5, and this is actually Python interpreter. Now it asks for commands or some lines of code to implement in Python. So this means the Python is successfully installed. That's it for the video. Hope you like the video. Thank you guys.